KidZone CLUB. Let's go diving. Whoa. Take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Mickey's got his goggles, Mia's got her fins. Down in the ocean, the magic begins.
Look at the coral, pink and bright, floating in the blue, such a
Pretty sight. Fish are swimming fast and slow in the secret world down below. Under the water, deep in the blue, a salty adventure for me and you. Mickey and Mia swimming along, singing a bubbly, happy song. Splish, splash, wiggle and dive. The ocean makes us feel alive.
Mia's found a jellyfish, soft and clear, floating like a cloud, coming very near.
Watch it wiggle, watch it glow in the underwater disco show.
Then a big green turtle swims by the reef,
Eating up a crunchy seaweed leaf. Look at the sand, what's that we see? A golden chest for you and me. Mickey's opening the heavy lid, seeing where the shiny coins are hid. It's not gold, it's a pile of toys for all the little girls and boys. Yay! Wait, can you hold your breath? Now, blow bubbles. Can you swim like a shark? Can you wave like an octopus? Wiggle, wiggle. Now, poof. Under the water, deep in the blue, a salty adventure for me and you. Mickey and Mia swimming along, singing a bubbly, happy song. 1, a starfish. Star. 2, a seahorse. Hey. 3, a big whale. Splash. 4, a little crab. Snap. 1, 2, 3,